You are going to love the 2021 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, body color door handles, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.